What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Josh, it's Harville Makes. This week we are going to turn this old speaker into a really cool coffee table. So, yep, let's go. Oh no. I have a confession, full disclosure. This has been my coffee table for the last year and a half. I already did this project, but I didn't get it on camera. So what I did is I took it all apart so I could put it back together for you guys. But we're also doing a couple extra things. So you can see I already have the legs on there, but we'll get to that. Alright, so for the legs, we're using these things. If you don't recognize them, maybe like that? No, I think they went like that. Yes. So what these are is they came off of a bed frame, one of those metal adjustable bed frames that are real cheap. And when we got a new bed, we had no more use for these, and I thought, coffee table. So we've got 4 of them, and we're gonna glue and screw them to the bottom of this, and then something extra. That's right everybody, LED lights. We're gonna put them on the bottom, but we can't do that till we put the legs on, so let's go. So because I've already done this before, I have everything already measured out, so it'll make it a lot easier. But what we're gonna use is this weld wood contact cement. You just brush it on both surfaces, kind of let it dry a little bit, then you just stick it on there. So yeah, pretty easy. Probably should get a piece of paper to do this over so we don't get it on the floor. We get a napkin. Over my lap. Here, let's get in close. So you could see. I've already pre-drilled these holes because of when I did the project before, but you kind of get the idea. Stick it on there, take a drill bit, boom, bust it through, and then throw a screw in there. It's pretty easy. And it's that easy. Alrighty, so now it's time for the LED lights. Schwab! So I got this little rechargeable power battery thing for like cell phones or electronic devices. For $5 at Five Below. I got this string of LEDs at Five Below. When we plug these into the little rechargeable thing, pop, it works. So that's pretty neat. So what we're gonna do is use these little craft magnets to stick on the back of the battery and stick on the bottom of this, and then whenever we need to recharge it, we can just pull it off and recharge it. So that's what we gonna do. So these things you can get at Walmart or any kind of craft store. They come in little sheets like this. You can break them off into strips. We're going to stick them on the back of this battery. So the best way to do this, so it lines up, is to stick it on the battery, and then take the side that you want to stick to the bottom of the coffee table and stick it to there. Find a good spot that's accessible. Yeah, and then you can take the battery off, and then, hi-ya! And then for the lights, so these lights come with a sticky backing. Everybody, thanks for watching. Here it is. Pretty simple. It's beat up, it's ugly, it's old, but it's kind of a cool idea, you know, for like a little bachelor pad or a home office or, you know, whatever you want. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's a pretty easy one, pretty simple, pretty cheap, but it's one of those cool things where it's taking some junk and turning it into something that you can enjoy. And that's what matters. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We try to come out with videos every Friday. Hope you guys be blessed, be good people, and peace out.